How to change your ringtone on iPhone to a song from YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change your ringtone on your iPhone to a song from YouTube. Making a YouTube video as your ringtone is not a straightforward task. Most probably, the tone you want is just 10 to 20 seconds of the whole video or background music. Thus, it involves a multifold procedure, including downloading the video in MP3, trimming the necessary parts, and setting it as a ringtone. More importantly, the process is slightly different for both iPhone and Android. Here are the tools you need to make ringtone from YouTube, which are an MP3 converter, a trimming tool, GarageBand for iOS only, and a file transfer tool. If you are an Android user and want to set a YouTube video as your ringtone, then cheer up. With an Android phone in your hand, follow the steps carefully to convert YouTube to MP3 ringtone on Android. The first step is to find a credible tool to convert your YouTube video into MP3. With just a quick Google search, you will find tons of programs that can download YouTube videos for MP3 ringtones. Now, copy the link of the YouTube video you want to download and head to YIMP8 on your phone browser. Paste the link in the search box and choose MP3 format and hit Convert. Once it converts the video, click on Download to save it on your Android gallery. Now, you have to trim the desired part of the audio file. Use an online tool or download any trimming app from the Play Store to perform this task. For now, go to MP-Cut on your browser and tap Open File to upload the audio. Now that you have downloaded the tone, find it and tap Set as Ringtone. And that's how you convert a video on YouTube to a ringtone for an Android phone. Hopefully, you can now make any YouTube video your new ringtone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.